Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix file system error 2147416359 when you try to open an image in Windows 10. There are a few simple steps, so I'm going to show you very quickly. Now go to search box and type services. Click on it and let's find out Windows License Manager service. This one. Make a right click over here and then click on properties. Now select the startup type as manual and make sure that on login option this account is selected. Now click on apply and then start option is enabled now, so click on it and then click on OK. Now it is running, so restart your computer and that should fix the problem. So I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel.